Hi everyone, this is signal generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Today, it's a expiry day, month end option expiry. In Bank Nifty 1 minute chart after 10 o'clock, sell call generator, so sell signal, red color candle open. Sell at 44,217, our entry point line. Below our 100 point first target, 200 point second target line. Daily in live market, it will generate calls automatically. Like this today, sell call generated at 10:06. After 20 minutes of market momentum, it started to break out the first target range. From opening momentum, market was in bearish momentum. First two candle traded in a entry point range and started to move in downside, and it successfully break out the first target. Like this today, call generated and break out the target. For chart plan detail, if you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.